Navigating the world of diabetes can often feel like trying to assemble a puzzle without having all the pieces in front of you. But what if I told you that certain blood tests can offer you those missing pieces, providing a clearer picture of your health and how to manage your diabetes more effectively? That's right. Today, we're diving into the top 7 blood tests that are absolutely essential if you're living with diabetes. So, grab your favorite cozy blanket and let's get into it, saving the most insightful test for the grand finale.
But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin.
Let's start with the basics. The A1C test, also known as the hemoglobin A1C or just HbA1c. This test is like the holy grail of diabetes management. It doesn't just tell you your current blood sugar level, it gives you the average of your blood sugar over the past 2 to 3 months. Imagine it as a time-traveling detective that can report back on how well you've been managing your diabetes over a significant period. Studies have shown that maintaining an A1C level below 7% can significantly reduce the risk of diabetes complications, making it a crucial target for many individuals with diabetes. Next up, we have the fasting plasma glucose test, a test that requires you to fast for at least 8 hours before your blood is drawn. It's a bit like checking the empty baseline of your blood sugar without any recent food or drink to skew the results. This test is particularly useful for diagnosing diabetes or prediabetes, as it shows how your body handles glucose after a period of fasting. According to guidelines, a fasting plasma glucose level of 126 milligrams per deciliter or higher on 2 separate tests can indicate diabetes. Then there's the postprandial glucose test, which is performed after you've eaten. This test is all about understanding how your body manages sugar from the foods you consume. It's akin to a spot check, revealing whether your management plan is effectively keeping your blood sugar levels in check after meals. For individuals with diabetes, keeping post-meal glucose levels under control is vital, as spikes can lead to complications over time. Moving on, let's talk about the fructosamine test. Think of it as the A1C test's younger sibling, providing a shorter-term view of blood sugar control, typically over the past 2 to 3 weeks. This test can be especially helpful if your A1C results aren't consistent with your home blood sugar monitoring, or if there have been recent changes to your treatment plan. It offers a quick snapshot, allowing for timely adjustments to your diabetes management strategy. Now onto the lipid profile, which is a group of tests rather than a single test. This includes checking your levels of total cholesterol, LDL or bad cholesterol, HDL or good cholesterol, and triglycerides. Why is this important for someone with diabetes? Because diabetes significantly increases the risk of heart disease and stroke, managing your cholesterol and triglyceride levels is just as crucial as managing your blood sugar. These tests help tailor your treatment plan to not only manage diabetes, but also to prevent cardiovascular complications. We also mustn't overlook the importance of kidney function tests, including the serum creatinine test and the urine albumin to creatinine ratio, or ACR. Diabetes can be tough on your kidneys, and these tests help catch any signs of kidney damage early on. The serum creatinine test assesses how well your kidneys are filtering waste from your blood, while the ACR checks for albumin, a protein that can indicate kidney damage when found in urine. Early detection through these tests can lead to interventions that prevent further damage and maintain kidney health. Now for the pièce de résistance, the C-peptide test. This might not be a test you hear about every day, but it's incredibly revealing for individuals with diabetes. The C-peptide test measures the amount of C-peptide in your blood, which in turn indicates how much insulin your body is producing. This test is particularly valuable for distinguishing between type 1 and type 2 diabetes, as well as for assessing whether someone with type 2 diabetes might benefit from insulin therapy. For people with diabetes, understanding your body's insulin production can be a game changer in managing the condition. It can influence everything from the type of medication you take to how you approach your diet and exercise routine. Understanding these tests and their results can empower you in your diabetes management journey. They're not just arbitrary numbers, they're reflections of how your body is responding to your diabetes management efforts. Each test offers unique insights that can help you and your healthcare team make informed decisions about your care. Whether it's adjusting your medication, tweaking your diet, or changing up your exercise routine, these tests provide the feedback needed to tailor your management plan to your body's needs. But remember, while these tests are invaluable tools in managing diabetes, they're just one part of a larger picture. Effective diabetes management also involves regular checkups with your healthcare team, maintaining a balanced diet, staying active, and monitoring your blood sugar levels at home. It's about creating a comprehensive care plan that addresses all aspects of your health, not just your blood sugar levels. Before we wrap up this insightful journey through the essential blood tests for managing diabetes, it's crucial to understand the broader impact these tests can have on your overall health and well-being. Imagine each test as a unique lens, offering a distinct perspective on the intricate workings of your body under the influence of diabetes. Together, they form a comprehensive view that not only guides your immediate treatment decisions, but also shapes your long-term health strategy. This is particularly significant in the context of diabetes, a condition that, if not managed properly, can have far-reaching effects on various aspects of your health, from your heart to your kidneys and even your eyes and nerves. By regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels through these tests, you're doing more than just keeping numbers in check. You're actively participating in a form of preventive care. For instance, the Lipid Profile test doesn't just inform you about your cholesterol levels, it opens up a dialogue about your cardiovascular health, prompting discussions about dietary adjustments, physical activity, and medication that can protect your heart. Similarly, the kidney function tests serve as an early warning system, allowing for interventions that can prevent the progression of kidney disease, a common complication of diabetes that can lead to serious health issues if left unchecked. Furthermore, the nuanced data these tests provide can be incredibly empowering. They offer tangible proof of how lifestyle changes, diet, exercise, and adherence to medication can directly impact your diabetes management and overall health. This feedback loop can be incredibly motivating, turning abstract goals into achievable targets. For example, seeing an improvement in your HbA1c levels after incorporating more physical activity into your routine can be a powerful motivator to keep going. In essence, these tests are not merely routine checks, but pivotal moments of insight that enable you and your healthcare team to navigate the complexities of diabetes with precision and care. They're about taking proactive steps today to avoid potential complications tomorrow, embodying the adage that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. By understanding and utilizing these tests effectively, you're not just managing diabetes, you're taking charge of your health journey, making informed decisions that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. In conclusion, if you're living with diabetes, these 7 blood tests are essential tools in your toolkit. They offer a wealth of information that can help you understand your condition better and make informed decisions about your care. But the most exciting part? With each test, you're taking a step towards gaining more control over your diabetes, rather than letting it control you. So, embrace these tests not as mere obligations, but as opportunities to fine-tune your management strategy and live your healthiest life. Remember, you're not on this journey alone. With the support of your healthcare team and armed with the right information, you can navigate the challenges of diabetes with confidence and grace.